What I wish I knew about nutrition years ago. These 10 tips can change your life. First up, eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Next, hydrate adequately. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body running smoothly. Watch your portion sizes. Eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Limit added sugars. Aim for less than 10% of your daily calories from sugars. Choose healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil are great sources. Incorporate omega-3s. Fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts support your heart health. Eat regularly. Space out your meals to maintain energy levels. Be mindful. Savor your food and pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Limit processed and packaged foods. Opt for whole foods instead. And finally, seek professional guidance. Consult a registered dietitian or healthcare provider for personalized advice. Remember, a healthy diet is just one part of overall well-being. Combine it with regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep for optimal health. You've got this.